welcome back to Broken Gear Garage. Today I'm going to be doing a step tread on a bus. I already did the middle one, so I'm going to show you how I do one of them just so you guys can see and learn from it. I mean, there's multiple ways of taking these off, but right now I'm going to just use a drill and drill bit to take off the screws. Attached. That one ain't attached. That one's not. Let's see if it comes off. I might have to use other tools to get it off. So there are multiple ways of doing this. A few of them have done air hammer and a chisel bit. Try to get at least one or two of these off. Here's a very real bit. There we go. I might just go with smaller. Let me back here, grab a smaller 500. On these, there's a little lip cap. You need to get a pry bar on there. So pretty much just under. This is the main step well. They put a step tread over there that has like a metal bottom. But it starts separating on this rubber piece, so you gotta swap them out so or when people get in them and out of them, they don't trip and fall. All that stuff. Some of that dirt and dust off of there. I normally will have the time and energy. I will get a uh, sander, even just like a little uh, scratch pad wheel, and rough this all up. But today we're just gonna do the basics. Ain't got time to make it look pretty. Just make sure you get all that stuff out of there. You end up replacing it sooner than later. You get all that sand and debris from people's shoes in there, and that's what happens with it. Creates at the pole. And grab your Derek 100. If you have any sticky note bolts or screws that you can get to. Try to get that nice and clean-ish. Yeah, like sand or whatever, and get this all rough so then the soak one actually adheres to this. And let's use Permatac Ultra Black. Hold it in place. Make sure you get some of the holes. There's just enough on the holes. Here's what I do. And then, new step tread. May not be 100% perfect on there because they do make her. It's never always going to be 100% with these because they're manufactured differently over time. And find a drill bit that's going to work for the holes. You serve one. Make sure it's all situated right. There we go. Yeah, I get a different battery for that. I'll need to recharge. Full. Then go exact opposite. That. And then depending on the size, I do different ones. And this one's a small one, and this one's close to center. We got the 3 in the front. And dropping stuff. And then, yeah, yeah. And do one further back in the corner. 2, 3. Yeah, screws do help keep it down so it does see or does stay seated. RTV just keeps it in place until you can get these in. Or you can use some panel bonder or whatever you want. And then this all. There we go. Looking pretty. Clean up some of this. Back together. I gotta grab some more RTV. those. And then you want to seal around this. So you gotta reduce any of the grime and stuff to get back in there. Oh, take much. And that's it. Make sure you damage the new step right away. There. Then what I normally do is flatten it out a little bit more. Better seal all the way through. Cover more space. And then have an angle where you're gonna be how you're gonna be doing it. Where you want a little extra. Yeah. If you want, you can do underside this to help reduce any of that, but you just leave it as is. And other than that, you're all done. There's nothing else really to it. It's pretty simple. All of them are the same. Up top, you get the upper step, middle step, and bottom step. All of them are roughly the same. Either you can use an oscillating tool to cut these off, a drill with drill bit, or even air hammer with a chisel bit or like a scraper bit on there that you'd be able to cut those. It's normally what I do, but I reduce the noise by using the drill and drill bit. Plus, then I pre-drill the holes for the screws. And now you just let it sit and warm up. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's actually a pretty simple, easy job to do. Other than that, just if you like this, subscribe, like, and comment if you want to. There will be more videos in the future. Hopefully, you can continue to grow the way that we're doing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.